Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the console and opening the settings menu. This gets you straight to where input behavior's live. Once inside, navigate to controls then input so you can find the hold to edit option. Make sure the console is not in a locked session or paired remote so changes save correctly. If the option is nested, use the submenu arrows to expose toggle fields. Now, highlight the hold to edit entry so you're ready to change its state or reassign the shortcut. Now change the behavior itself. Select the hold to edit toggle and switch it on or OFF depending on whether you want holding a control versus a single press to enter edit mode. If you prefer a different trigger, choose reassign and press the new key or button when prompted. The interface will capture it. Once reassigned, make sure to confirm by pressing OK, then save or apply the settings so the console writes the change to memory. Test the input immediately to verify the new behavior. Finish by testing. Try entering edit mode using the new hold or press behavior and exit to confirm stability. If it fails, make sure to save settings again, then reboot the console so cached states refresh. If problems persist, restore defaults to rule out complex conflicts, then reapply your change. Also check firmware updates, input device batteries, and ensure no other shortcuts conflict with your chosen control. That single troubleshooting step solves most hold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.